Sorry guys, this is going to be a short vlogging video. If you're not into vlogging, don't watch. But there's no car stuff, so I'm just letting you know right now before you watch the video. So I know I said I wasn't going to post any videos this week. I was going to take a little break. You don't get anywhere on YouTube without posting videos. So I guess I'm just going to make some videos. Right now I am chomping down on some cauliflower crust pizza. I know you're like,
what the heck?
Well, since I have stopped the bulk season, it was right before well, no, it was right after we went on vacation. I am down 20 pounds. Yes, I know, I'm withering away here. I went from 235, I'm down to 215. Yeah, I know. But we're gonna go up here to the gym because today is the grand opening of the gym that Ashley's working at now, and she works until 8 o'clock. It's 5:30 right now. So I'm gonna go up and get my lift on. And then I don't know what else we'll get into on this video. I'll record during the week. Might press that ball joint out, you know. Might be a short video, I don't know. Stay tuned and find out. What? Before I go to the gym though, I gotta change into my gym clothes. Oh. Yeah! If you guys never watched Bro Science Life on YouTube, hashtag get at me. Dude's hilarious. Go check his channel out. It's pretty funny. And what's a video without Stewie? Hi, Stewie. Yeah, I know. He loves to be in the videos, don't you? Yeah. Meh. With his little tuxedo bow on. Oh, I'm sorry, I quit petting you. What do you keep telling me? Yeah? Alright, bro. Hop in the gym bag. We're going. What? Kobe! What? Well, I made it to MR Stacks. Ashley. Car is like right over there. You can probably see it through the glass. She parks right in front of the door. Like, look at my car.
What?
She's gonna charge. I said, can I get some training? And she said $20.
I love you.
Well,
I'll work
where's
it.
the family discount?
I guess.
Well, that was fun. That gym's awesome. She got a great job. She loves it. I'm happy for her. But yeah, the gym's really nice. The equipment's really nice. But I had to leave because your boy got to go. I got to go to the bathroom.
You're gonna be like, where's the car stuff? But don't not do anything. Sorry. I'm going 1,000 steps right now. And my buddy John was supposed to go with me. And he backed out. Why did you back out, Stewie? You wanna go with me? You wanna go 1,000 steps? Come on! No? Come on! You wanna go? Okay.
Alright guys, to the steps! I don't need you, John. I do them on my own. Ew! Pick your shit up. There's the board.
Well, that was quick. Got her done. I'm going out to the lookout now. America! This is the first time in years I think I've been up here and haven't seen anybody. Like, I'm the only one here. I'm at the railroad building now. This is where they used to load the train cars. You can get up on the roof. I seriously thought this was going to be the first time I've come to the steps and came the whole way to the lookout and not passed anybody. But I just passed the guy back here, so that doesn't count. But I made it. Oh. Now it's time to go back down.
Boys, we made her. Oh God, we made her.
And that's all I got for now. So enjoy your week. I'll see you guys on the weekend. Go check out some of my other videos that are much better. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.